This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening settings immediately. Press Win+I or click Start and type Display. Once done, select System then Display so you see brightness and night light options. You need this view because it centralizes controls and prevents accidental driver changes. Make sure the device is on battery or plugged in. Some laptops limit adjustments on low power. If the brightness slider is missing, check for a dedicated keyboard key or manufacturer control app before proceeding to advanced steps. Now adjust the slider to set your desired luminance. Move slowly to find a comfortable level, since too bright wastes power and too dim strains eyes. If you prefer automatic control, enable adaptive brightness or use the night light color shift. This reduces blue light in the evening. For immediate changes, press your keyboard's FN plus brightness keys. These bypass software in many systems. Once you've set a baseline, test with a bright image and a dark image to ensure details remain visible across scenes. Finish by saving your power plan settings so brightness behaves consistently when unplugged versus plugged in. If the slider is unresponsive, update or reinstall your display driver. Outdated drivers often remove controls. Make sure adaptive brightness is not overriding manual changes. Toggle it off to test. If keys still fail, reboot into BIOS to confirm function keys are enabled, and then restart Windows. A final tip: roll back recent updates if the issue started after a system update, then seek vendor support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.